2.5 years ago, this happened. Then 6 months ago, this happened. And those are just a few reasons why I'm a big advocate for dash cameras. I have one in my Type R. I have one in my Sport. Why I haven't put one in my girl's Pilot yet, I don't know. I'm going to do that in this video. So big shout out to Pelsee for sending me their P2 Trio. It is a 3-channel dash camera. That means you get the one out the front, the one out the back, and the one in the cabin. Let's take a look at the footage. Why don't we just start off with the front camera. 1080p, my opinion, looks really good. Little glare off the front windshield, but all really depends on what time of day you're driving in, where the sun is, you know, that kind of thing. I did no color correction for any of the video. This is exactly how it looks right out of the box. My opinion, looks really good. Let's move on to the rear camera. Okay, looks like I need to re-aim this rear camera. It actually aims very easily. You turn it up, you turn it down. I need to go down a couple clicks. Even though, still looks really good, and you're gonna say, Miller, I thought you didn't color correct any of this video. Well, I didn't. The back window is tinted. That's why it looks like it's color corrected. Even though it's tinted, it still looks really good. 1080p, just like the front camera. We got one more camera to look at, the cabin. And the quality is much better than I thought it was gonna be. Just a little fishbowl-ish, but that's to be expected. It having to get all the interior. It looks really good. 1080p, just like the rest of them. I really like this dash camera. Gives you the front, the rear, and the interior. Not only that, it also comes with an app. Let me show you. There is a QR code in the instruction manual. Go ahead, pull your phone out, scan it, download the Pelsee Cam app. Agree to all the permissions and everything that you need to. Allow it access, whether it's all the time or just this once. Attach the camera. Here's a diagram of how they want you to run it. I'll show you how I did it here in a little bit. Connect it to Wi-Fi. And here we are. As you can tell, this is the front camera. Right here under the recording, you can see the mic is off. I forgot to turn it on. Underneath that is to switch the camera. We're going to go to the rear camera. Looks good, even on the app, but the quality of the live view is adjusted to give you the best experience. To watch the original recordings, go to the camera file. Then we'll check the cabin. Again, I was muted, so you're not going to understand anything I said, and to be honest, I don't even remember what I was telling you. So all in all, the app looks good too. Pretty easy to use. It also gives you your speed, your current altitude, your total altitude, and your accelerated speed, which is pretty cool. But that's pretty much it. So I'm going to unbox the rest of it for you, show you how I installed it. Not necessarily going to walk you through the whole thing. I've done that in plenty other videos. How I shot it is pretty self-explanatory. The only thing I did different than maybe you might want to do is I ran the wire on the driver's side and not through the passenger side. But you can choose to do it however you want to do it. But I highly recommend you clean the spot where you want to mount the cameras. That way they stick the best. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, you know what to do. As always, this was your boy. I'll see you in the next one.